Daltile has been busy innovating in both the tile and countertop space. So tell me a little bit about those innovations.
One of them is Defend by Microban. We're basically infusing Microban into the glazing process. So this is something that doesn't wear off, doesn't wash off, doesn't clean off, and really creates some antimicrobial protection for a very cleanable surface throughout the home, whether that's for showers, for bathroom floors, for backsplashes, etc. Another one that's really resonating with the consumers is our Stepwise, a innovative process where we're infusing basically a higher coefficient of friction into the glaze. This doesn't distort or disrupt the visual, the patterning within the product, but really helps elevate the slip resistance, about 50 times more slip resistant than a traditional glazed product. And again, that has really resonated quite a bit with home buyers and consumers. When you look at the trends now in the market of really bringing the interiors into the exteriors and really creating an open flow of living space, these products really have become kind of the go-to product to ensure that not only you have a very fashionable look and feel, it's all contiguous, you're not chopping up the flooring area, but you're creating a surface that is safe and easy to walk on, both indoors and out in wet and dry conditions. So those are a couple of the innovations there. I think on our quartz product, it's worth noting, when we first opened our Dixon, Tennessee plant, we were very reliant on imported raw materials. We worked really hard in order to get those formulas and recipes converted so that we can use a lot more, and now it's almost 100% domestic raw materials for our U.S. quartz production. I think it's just really important from sustainability, from an ESG perspective, and we're really proud that we've work through that.
We're also excited to learn about your porcelain products. So can you tell me a little bit more about that as well?
Yeah, so porcelain, and I think you're referring to what Daltile calls panoramic porcelain panels. And so large format porcelain products are really infusing the market. They can be used for exterior cladding, they could be used for flooring, they could be used for vertical applications at very high heights because they're light. And they're also used for countertops. The neat thing about it is you're using all the best components of a porcelain. So you have the high performance, the minimal or zero absorption, but then you're able to use 3D visual and print these amazing natural stone or concrete, but just really, really high-end, luxurious type visuals on a product that then performs tremendously and is very easy to install comparative to the same product in a natural stone.
We're really excited to show Daltile's products in the VISION House Sussex, our latest demonstration project with Tim O'Brien Homes in the village of Sussex, which is outside of Milwaukee. Our theme for that project is sustainable and attainable. So can you talk a little bit about how your products fit into that theme?
It's an extraordinary project, yet it's kind of right in line with market rate pricing. And I don't want to say it's not special because it's very special, but it's sometimes a lot of these type of projects are focused around something that's a little unique or one of a kind. And this really brings, all of this messaging and goal accomplishing right to an everyday type of a consumer. So we're very pleased. We are featuring our quartz countertops, which are domestically made. We're also featuring several different areas of ceramic or porcelain tile. One of them is a very nice owner's bath retreat, and some really nice products there, both rectangular products and elongated subways. We're providing a ceramic hex-shaped wall tile as a backsplash in the main kitchen area. And so, consumers and home buyers are really, they're liking to create some personalization. And so a hex shape really is unique. It helps personalize a pretty important area of the home where a lot of time is spent in the kitchen area. So we're really pleased to bring these products to the VISION House of Sussex because comparatively, when you're looking at all the flooring categories that are out there, ceramic tile really delivers a lot of, excellent attributes with regards to healthy living, with regards to low environmental impact. And so we're very pleased that Tim O'Brien and the Vision House project is incorporating these products.
Are there any other highlights from your corporate ESG story that you'd care to share?
At the end of 2022, Daltile held its first Lead Her campaign internally. Basically, they organized a team of corporate leaders and then other female employees throughout the org at all different positions and capacities, both in manufacturing and sales and in admin. And I've really kind of gotten behind this Lead Her initiative. And so again, I thought it might be nice just to share it out with you here today. From a product standpoint, like I said, we are really geared and focused on all the different components that ESG can help derive into our product. But corporate culturally, we're as equally as focused on the same type of ESG components that really round out the different components of that ESG acronym. And so Lead Her has been a great success. They just had the second organized meeting, and it's really creating a lot of great buzz in the organization.